Hello everyone, today in this video we will be discussing about none data type. So we can initialize the none data type like this. So for a variable name we will be assigning a value that is none. Okay. So actually none means there is nothing. So whenever you wanted to initialize some variable with nothing, then you can simply use this none. And if you check the type, it will show us as none type. So basically this none is an object of none type class. And let's see, we can also within functions we can write this pass. So why we use this is, let's say I am giving some assignment to you guys and I wanted you to just write the code for this function, and I don't want you to write the function definition. Then I'll be giving the function definition. I'll just be writing this pass so that if you guys execute, you will not be getting any error. And if you see the code, you will get to understand that you have to remove this and you have to write code from here. That you will understand by seeing this. So in such cases, we can use this pass. So this pass will not give us any error, and it will just skip or wait for the user to write some code. Okay. So if we directly execute this, it will just be returning us none. Okay, let's see. So here if you see, to a we are giving this function, and if we print a, this a is printing us none. And here also we are not returning anything. Basically function should return something. So when we are not returning anything, it will just return us none, which tells that nothing is returned from this function. So here if we see this function, in this function I wrote hello world, print hello world. So it will if we call this function, it will just be printing this hello world and then returning us the value none. So if we print this, that will be showing us none. Okay. So, and you might be thinking like where we can use this none. Let's say we are designing some data structure like linked list. So while using linked list, the last element should point to some value. Uh, like like actually it should point to nothing. That is null in case of C++ or Java. In Python, it will be none. Okay. That's the difference between null and none. Like those will be used in C++ and Java. This will be used in Python. That's it. In Python, we will not be having this null value. Okay. So if you write null, you will be getting error. So if you wanted to check, you can check it over here. I am writing null. Click all small letters. Let's write. This will be giving us error. And similarly, null, this will also be giving us error. Okay. Basically in Python, null is not present. That's why it is giving these errors. I hope you guys understood about none in this video and you have enjoyed it. Thank you.